Good morning, guten morgen. So we see that finally GJ fulfilled the move that I had been waiting for forever. Actually, let me get this Forex Factory up. Okay, so yesterday I was saying that like this is the level that I'm looking for sells in if I see a break of minor support on the 30-minute, right? So I was on the 30-minute. And price made, its little minor support with bearish bullish right here. I put this line. So I went in, actually, I saw what price was doing and I saw it was pushing fast. And I know that, I hear music. Like I was saying in the video that I put on Instagram, when it comes to the lower highs that are actually with the daily structure, I don't need to see like a 4-hour candle close, like I said. But like, something like even like a 5-minute, because honestly, I took this trade based off of probably not even the 5-minute. Well, I might have waited for this to close, but when I started to see how momentum was like starting to spill over, I was like, okay, we're ready. We are ready. So it was really this candle, probably, then you had lower highs forming after that. But because it's a weekly level and because we're having this minor break and because it's with the daily structure, I was like, I don't have any problems taking trades right now. Like, let me just go ahead and do that. Because I remember I had the same trade setup. Actually, it was right here. It was either here or here. But either way, it was a spicy trade. It was like a similar, like, in the weekly zone. And I'm just looking for like a minor break. Yeah, it might have been right here. Because I think I had this zone drawn on too. I think so, yeah. Yeah, I was happy when I got this move. I was like, yup. So, similar situation. You just going with your higher time frame structure, you can get in on like small confirmations like this, but in weekly levels, because that's where the highest probability trades will be coming from, at least in my opinion. So where I think it's going to go to next, I mean, overall, if we look at the negative 27%, if we use that as our take profit, I don't know how long it's going to take. It could take a few days, a few weeks, next year. We don't know. Yeah, so that's that. And again, the confluence for me taking this trade was 61.8. It was just a perfect trade that I had been anticipating for a while, as you guys know if you've been watching the previous videos. I mean, damn, look how the daily closed out, that massive wick. Where you could take trades from today, it depends. Let's see. I don't see any. I like to use the 6-hour levels for to draw my support and resistances, but I'm not really seeing much. If price were to come up, maybe you could, come up to this level, but there's also this daily level right here. So let's not, be fooled. It could definitely just go bullish and then continue bearish. I don't know. That's a possibility because this level is actually pretty strong. We had all that daily rejection. But price could also just continue to go bearish and you just have to get in on another lower high. So it just depends on if it breaks this level or not. If it breaks this level, then you're just gonna have to wait for price to do something like to continue, right? That would be the move. And for gold, she is not giving any retraces. Which, I mean, yay, I'm glad for you. I'm glad you finally broke out. I don't think I will ever forget this lesson again when it comes to like, you have to wait for the 0% level to actually break. At least in this case, because man, it was consolidating. For it to be considered a break of structure, because I considered it a break of structure bullish way before any of this even happened, and that was a mistake. But I'm learning things. That's how we do it. All right, you could must be going bullish. That's cool because she's going bearish. But yeah, that's all I got for today.